हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू लोकल मार्क्स डॉक्टर्स एंड फ्रेंड्स, आज हम आए हैं द ड्रीम स्माइल क्लिनिक फ्रेंड्स. इट इज़ ए लाइक डेंटल क्लिनिक बेसिकली इन मालवीय नगर फ्रेंड्स. तो टुडे डॉक्टर सुदीप विद अस फ्रेंड्स. ही इज़ ए डेंटिस्ट. तो आज हम फ्रेंड्स बात करते हैं सुदीप जी से कि अबाउट देयर क्लिनिक बैकग्राउंड, अबाउट देयर सर्विसेज, देयर ट्रीटमेंट्स, like process actually, or what are the location of the their clinic, what are the timings etc. तो फ्रेंड्स, ऐसे डेंटिस्ट इनके क्या चैलेंजेस रहते हैं, कुछ इनका एक्सपीरियंस और क्या सर्विसेज हैं यहाँ पे, क्या ट्रीटमेंट्स हैं, किस तरीके का पेशेंट यहाँ पे आना चाहिए, प्लस दे आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू गिव सम वैल्यूएबल सजेशंस ऑल्सो फ्रेंड्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. डॉक्टर सुदीप.
Hello. I am Dr. Sudeep from Dream Smile Dental Spa, Malviya Nagar. So this clinic is 3 years old, serving in Malviya Nagar and Basant Kunj. Our timing is from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. in the evening, and we are 24/7 emergency, and we are serving 7 days. Okay. Now, what we deal in the clinic is we deal with all the basic dental procedures like root canals, crowns, smile makeovers, implants, orthodontic treatments with or without braces, smile makeover with or without veneers. So there are multiple things we are deal with.
तो फ्रेंड्स, एक बार जानते हैं डॉक्टर सुदीप से कि कुछ इनके एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में, इनकी जर्नी के बारे में, आज कितना एक्सपीरियंस हो गया इनको, और टू बी एस ए डेंटिस्ट कितना एक मुश्किल रहता है, लाइक कितना चैलेंजेस फेस करना पड़ता है टू बी एस ए डेंटिस्ट एंड लाइक सर्व द क्लाइंट्स एक्चुअली. So let's start with Dr. Sudeep about their journey, their experience.
So I have been practicing here in Delhi since 2016. So this clinic is 3 years old, and we are serving here since 3 years. We have one more branch in Vasant Kunj. Before that, we used to work in Vasant Vihar. There is a dental clinic we used to work in. It's also an NABH center. Plus, prior to that, we used to work in International Dental Clinic in Gurgaon. So from there we have understood how to do patient, how to manage patient, what are the patient needs, and then we thought that this is the clinic, this is the place where we should start our clinic, and then we have started the clinic. And right now we have served more than 500 to 700 patient, and I think we have quite done justice to all of them. So we are trying to give our best to the patient we have. Regarding the treatment and challenges we face during our day-to-day life, there is some kind of myth that people are following. One of that is that cleaning of teeth will make the teeth loosen up, which is not true, which I think all the dentists around Delhi or India is facing that. Cleaning of your dental teeth are very, very important for all of us. It should be a habit for every person to get their teeth cleaned every 6 months. This is a need, and I think as a dentist we have the responsibility to make the patient understood about this. Apart from that, there is lots of cosmetic processes that have started in dentistry nowadays. One of that is veneers, which people are going for it. Orthodontic treatment. Prior to there are only wears kind of treatment which was happening. Now we can move the teeth without wears. It is completely digital, hygienic, and very comfortable for the patient. So this also was a problem that people doesn't want to go for orthodontic treatment because they thought that getting the wears at certain age is difficult. Also there is pain, there is restriction of food habits. These are the things people used to face, but nowadays the modern dentistry has changed all the myth, and now people are more concerned about orthodontic treatment because it can be done without the wears. And regarding challenges in day-to-day life, people are those who come with pain. They forget that the infection has happened in a long duration of time, and treatment can be done with time only. So the time issue is one of the biggest problem for dentist.
तो फ्रेंड्स, एक बार जानते हैं डॉक्टर सुदीप से, व्हाट आर द कॉमन लाइक issues basically and as a dentist he is facing.
See, people nowadays, the food habit especially is very important for your teeth health. Okay, so the food habit has changed a lot. Now people are very much into junk food, cheese, pizza, burgers, all these things, and this somehow lead it in decomposition of your teeth, which cause a cavity. Okay, so mostly when I see patient in pain, either this is a cause of a very um, junk food habit plus rare brushing habit, also uh, the ignorance, whenever you come to a dentist, if you come to a dentist in the early stage, it can be saved with just a filling, and if you come into the dentist in the later stage, it cannot be done with just a filling. It have to be, we have to do root canals, we have to do crowns, and in severe cases we might have to take out the teeth also, and then we have to think about replacement of teeth. So this is all sequence. So it's a very common thing that you have to understand, that if you are aware about your teeth, if you think that a minor small cavity which is there into your mouth has to be treated, it can be done in a very less price and a very less pain. But in case if you wait for the severity to happen, so definitely you cannot do it in a very minor way. You have to go for root canal, that requires much more higher money than a filling. Of course the time, of course the pain is also more. If you think about implants, which is always an outcome of something which is being ingrown for years and years, then only we have to think about implants. But yes, we are trying to serve our patient with all the treatments at the most effective prices. But I would suggest everybody to visit the dentist once, at least once in a 6 month or a year, so that it can be sorted out in the early stage. And whatever a dentist says you is something which you have to follow. It's not about there are many things which a dentist face when they interact with patient, that मुझे तो इस डॉक्टर ने ये कहा था, मुझे तो किसी ने कहा कि दांत सफाई करने से हिलने लगेंगे, दांत निकालने से आँख में कम दिखने लगेगा. So these are the things which are people used to follow at very old ages. Now dentistry is very advanced. All of the staffs are educated staff. They are super specialties. Even if in our clinic we have 21 doctors in the panel, whichever, like if there is a surgical extraction, we have our oral surgeon. If there is a orthodontic case, we have our orthodontist. If there is a endodontist case, means there is a root canal case, there is our endodontist who are doing the cases. So I think the trust issue with the patient and a doctor is very important. You should trust your doctor, you should understand what they are saying, and try to sort out the things at the early stage. Do not wait for the time when it is painful and the things has become worse enough. So at the very beginning I have told you that yes, all solution comes here, that once visit in a 6 month can save your teeth for lifetime.
So Dr. Sudeep, my last query. So if any user or any like you can say patient coming through our channel after seeing this video, so any special offer or discount for them?
Definitely, sir. First of all, I want to thank you that you are taking the initiative to make people aware of the dental hygiene and dental treatment, because which India needs very much right now. Second thing is, if anybody comes with your reference and your channel reference, definitely we are going to give the best price plus additional 10% discount for any of the customer that comes from your. Thank you so much.
तो फ्रेंड्स कीप सब्सक्राइबिंग अवर चैनल, कीप सपोर्टिंग अवर चैनल, एंड यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं आप. इनका नंबर, इनका एड्रेस हम वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में शेयर करेंगे. तो इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वारीज और यू लुकिंग फॉर डेंटिस्ट, बेस्ट डेंटिस्ट इन योर लोकल एरिया, तो आप इनसे कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. और वट एवर योर क्वारीज, डिस्कस विद दैम, एंड श्योरली यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द बेस्ट सर्विस एंड बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट. एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.